Every morning presents an opportunity, a chance to either take a step forward or stay stuck in the same habits that drain and frustrate us. Look at Henry. He went to the gym earlier and now he's laser focused on his latest project. He's glowing. Deep down, we all wish we could be like him, but it feels almost unattainable. Or is it? Maybe he knows something we don't. And then there's Jimmy, still in bed, scrolling through TikTok, trying to distract himself from the weight of everything he knows he should be doing. Many of us are like Jimmy. We wake up every day with big plans, but before we know it, hours have disappeared. Our to-do list is untouched, and by evening, we feel empty, stuck, and more frustrated than ever. Hey, Jimmy, you've been lying here a while now, haven't you?
Yeah, it felt kinda good at first. Funny memes, interesting comments, cool videos, but now, I don't know, I just feel empty. I know I should get up and do something, but I just don't have the energy. How does Henry do it? He's always so focused. Early morning walks, productive work days, workouts, and somehow he still makes time for friends. Meanwhile, I can't even get out of bed.
Nobody is born with magical motivation, Jimmy. Let me let you in on a little secret. Henry wasn't always like this. He didn't wake up one day loving workouts and spreadsheets. No one does. See? Even Henry used to struggle.
Wait, Henry? The guy who seems like he's got it all figured out? He procrastinated too?
Yeah, just like you. But something changed for him. He figured out something most of us don't. Waiting to feel like it doesn't work.
So, what did he do? What's the secret?
Let's start with this. Stand up. I want to show you something. See that lamp over there? Imagine a moth flying around it, chasing the glow, flapping harder and harder, draining itself. But Jimmy, the lamp doesn't love the moth back, does it?
Wait, are you calling me a moth?
No, Jimmy. I'm saying we've all been there. Like you, like me, like the moth, chasing something that doesn't give back. It's not your fault. Those apps, videos, and even games, they're designed to keep you glued to the screen. According to Tristan Harris, a tech addiction expert, companies pour billions into making their products addictive, stealing your time and attention. Every click, every swipe, every level you complete, they want you to keep coming back for more. It's no wonder meaningful tasks feel harder. Easy distractions always win, unless you reframe them.
Reframe? What do you mean?
Ever notice how you label tasks with should? Like, I should clean my room or I should work out.
Yeah? Isn't that normal?
Sure, but here's the catch. Should feels like an obligation and you resist obligations, even self-imposed ones. Let's take a page from Henry's book. Instead of saying, I should go to the gym, Henry started saying, I want to feel stronger and healthier. Cognitive reframing is basically changing how you perceive an activity before you even start it. A simple shift that yields amazing results.
I never thought of it that way.
Let's try it. Think of one thing you've been avoiding.
Cleaning my desk.
Now reframe it.
I want a tidy space where I can think clearly.
Great. It seems small, but it is powerful.
But what if I still don't feel like it?
That's okay. Motivation doesn't come first. Action does. Just start small. For example, don't think about writing the whole essay. Just open your laptop. Don't plan to run a marathon. Just put on your sneakers. Psychologists call this the foot in the door technique. Just taking that first step builds momentum. And once you start, the good feelings will follow. A study in motivation science found that people enjoy productive tasks far more than they expect, but only once they start. Remember the last time you had a big project or assignment hanging over your head?
Oh yeah, I procrastinated for days, then freaked out and stayed up all night finishing it.
Exactly. And how did it feel once you got started and actually made progress?
Honestly, it felt pretty great. I even thought, why didn't I start this sooner?
Exactly. Doing what's good for you actually feels good. You've already experienced this. It's not a theory. Okay, but what about when you spend all day doing nothing? Scrolling, snacking, wasting time? Let me guess. You felt anxious, bored, maybe even a little angry with yourself, right?
Yeah, it's like I'm wasting my life.
That's proof that doing what's unhealthy for you feels bad too. You've just been brainwashed to think otherwise. One more thing. What's a small treat you love?
Ooh, a latte from that cafe downtown.
Perfect. Finish cleaning your desk, and that latte is yours. Studies show that rewarding yourself makes the task more enjoyable and repeatable. Lasting fulfillment is created by the little choices we make every day, the ones that move us closer to the life we truly want. You started something today, a small step toward a better you, and that's all it takes. One step, then another. The world isn't waiting for perfection, it's waiting for you. Every effort, every tiny win, it all adds up. Remember, it's not about doing what you want to do all at once. It's about starting. So, keep going, Jimmy, because you're not just changing your day, you're changing your life. Reframe tasks, start small, reward progress.